track Aldi delivery orders. To track your Aldi delivery order, you should use the platform where you place the order, as Aldi partner with a third-party service like Instacart, DoorDash, and Uber Eats for fulfillment. So what here you need to do is, if you've done it via the mobile app, you just want to make sure to open the Instacart or an Aldi app, depending on the app that you've used. There, you just want to make sure to go ahead and tap on the more button at the bottom right if you're using Aldi. There you have order history, or you could just go ahead and locate order history. Once you do this, here you have online. So there you will be able to find the orders that you've made. You just want to make sure to select your current order to view the real-time shopper progress, item replacement, and estimated arrival time as well. And this way, you're supposed to track Aldi delivery order. You will be able to see the status, prepared, processing, or maybe ready to be shipped, or maybe out for delivery, something like that. And that is basically how you're supposed to track Aldi delivery order. With that, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.